Hey boys and girls, Miss Barrow coming to you today with our Letterland lesson of the day. We have met individually Clever Cat and her whiskers, Annie Apple and her stick that helps her not to roll, and Mr. A, the apron man who helps take care of the letter A and all the apples in Letterland. Well, today we're going to review and meet Dippy Duck one-on-one today. So here is Dippy Duck and how we see him in Letterland. This is how we see the letter D in books. Don't forget our vocabulary of a duck, a dog, and my favorite, a purple dinosaur. Let's take a look over at our Letterland and see what we can find out about Dippy Duck.
Down by the duck pond in Letterland, you'll meet a delightful duck called Dippy Duck. Did you know she doesn't quack like other ducks? She makes a little duck sound as she waddles into words like dad, dog, and drum. Can you be a detective and find more things that begin with her sound? Can you see her special duck door? Dippy Duck loves dipping her head under the water and diving down deep. Don't draw her letter shape upside down, though. She doesn't like that. Dippy Duck likes to make delicious dinners of duckweed, dandelions, and daisies. Save some dinner for the deer and the donkey, Dippy.
All right, so here in Letterland, we see all the friends of Dippy Duck. Here is the Dippy Duck store that we were talking about. She lives over by the pond, and there's a dog stepping into the pond, the deer and the donkey. Here's a dragonfly landed on some daffodils, and here's a dinosaur next to the doll who's playing a drum in the daisies. There's lots of things that start with the D sound here in Letterland. So, go ahead and get out your letter boards. We're going to start practicing how to write the letter D. To make a capital D, we start on the skyline. We go down to the grass line. We go back to the skyline, curve around and down to the grass line. There is our capital D. Our little d is a lot like Annie Apple. We start at the dotted line, curve around, go up to the sky and down, holding the stick so that the D does not roll away. We'll do some more practice when we come back together on Monday. We'll see you guys later. Have a great day.